but I don't have a chance to plant the trees or to take care of the trees because I don't know the system in the United States. But I still love trees.
I think it has tremendous potential here. We could get kids out here learning how to nurture the land and learn how things grow and how to take care of our earth and just be respectful with the environment.
Because if they go if we make our surrounding or our park beautiful, just that makes my kids learn about that, because they go to look there and how they grow something, just a plant or some vegetable. They look and they know about that.
Yes, I think if we get this project around here, so parents will be together with the kids and maybe more opportunity for us, not going to the other things and sit down together and talk to those kids. And probably we sometimes we don't know each other around the neighborhood, and we will know each other because we should be there most of the time.
Today we don't have, but we hope you guys can help our kids to learn those really. We hope.
We only have a short window of opportunity to teach our youth, our next generation, about North Dakota's rich natural resources. This project will provide an experience that is rarely available to our urban kids and their parents on how nature functions, how our natural resources look and smell. I think this project will provide a model for other urban communities to engage our kids and the families on the outdoors, experiencing rangelands, seeing how our water cycle works, enjoying woodlands, learning about conservation, and viewing wildlife in their own backyard.